I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and I'm really excited to share that Lacroix has released a couple of new flavors for the summer in 2021. And I'm even more excited to share they're going to send me some of these to check out and sample and review here. But I actually found this in the store and got it before I even received my shipment. This is the new Black Razzberry flavor. And this is one of 3 new flavors that they are releasing for summer, again, 2021. And this one has kind of almost like a jazz type of theme to it on the box. It has some musical notes. I think the raspberry on there is supposed to be like a jazz, swing kind of music type of thing. This is almost like a little musical stave, and on the box it's got the notes going on. And the flavor itself is a combination of raspberry and blackberry. And they bring that out through the advertising materials have, a picture with actual raspberries and blackberries in the water. And these are, again, because they're summer flavors, I think kind of summery and refreshing, and this is definitely like that. So, yeah, I really love this one. I think it's, as they release new flavors, especially these more modern ones, it has an even more kind of contemporary type of flavor to it. So some of the older ones, like orange, for example, or lemon, kind of basic kind of flavors you'd expect to find in seltzer waters, maybe in the 90s or early 2000s. These feel more sophisticated, more modern. This one's super refreshing. Definitely feels like a good one for a hot summer day. And what it reminds me of a little bit, it's definitely not sweet in the same way that these are, but it reminds me of the little black raspberry or blackberry and raspberry candies you can get. I think they're from Jelly Belly. And they're little candies that have almost like a nonpareil, little circles on the outside. And kind of reminds me of that flavor, where you've got that raspberry blackberry flavor, and it almost tastes more like less like the fruit itself, more like a candy version of them. But again, because it's Lacroix, it's got no sweeteners and no sodium, 0 calories, so it's not sweetened water, but it has almost like a sweet, essence to it, I think. So I love this. I think this is a really nice new summer flavor. It's not tropical. It's definitely more almost like a jam or a berry, sweet berry kind of flavor like that. And I could see having this along the barbecue or just sitting in your backyard. Probably not a beach flavor. There's another one, beach plum, that I'm really looking forward to trying when I get my shipment. And that's like sort of the more beachy flavor. There's also another tropical flavor that's going to be in that summer line. So this feels more like the sit in your backyard or be out in the fields or something. Maybe an East Coast being out in the fields exploring or out in the woods type of feel to it with these sort of bramble berries. But again, a very summer type of concept. So I love this Black Razzberry Lacroix, and excited to get my shipment and try out even more of the new summer flavors.